So I pose. It's having to keep getting up though.
You gotta get a pointer.
Oh.
Made so you back him. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty.
As y'all can see, we decorating a little bit. We're gonna do this little DIY photo shoot. And yeah, he trying to put the backdrop up right now. We gotta put our fits on. Y'all like my makeup? Try something different. And we brought back the 25s, the 25 millimeter.
46s.
You dig.
52. Damn.
Not 52. There's no such thing. I think
tell.
the longest ones are 25. I think. Yeah, so I just put some snow on the tree. And I guess that's it. After you put that up, we'll be ready to go. It's the quality for me.
The waves.
Get the waves. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at.
Hold on. I'm talking about got to be here to believe it. I'm talking about.
You definitely could have made that paper go long ways. I'm just saying.
If I would, it would have only been like this much though. It wouldn't have been enough for 2 pieces.
That's the little fit. You don't have to safety pin mine in the back because I couldn't do it.
Okay.
And I got the fishnets too, but it's not.
You're not wearing it?
No.
Why not?
With what they're supposed to do too.
And what's that?
Shoot.
Oh, we got the whole setup. You know what it's time for? What? 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 You know what? You know what the fuck?
I don't
Hey, you funny, man.
What's higher?
I don't know.
It's like more light on you than on you.
That's cool, man. You the superstar of this show. You feel me? You the star of this show. Why you don't take more pictures on that?
Easier to set the timer on there.
Oh yeah, man. That was lit.
And goddamn record on here.
Yeah.
You gotta get in here too.
Okay.
I like this. Maybe we should bring my gifts like right here.
Get that stack, right?
Like you see.
Get that stack. Look, niggas ain't saying grab that gift. Niggas saying get that stack, boy. Look. She crazy, boy. Whoa.
Oh, this one's heavy.
Okay. So you get.
I like the ones on here now though too.
Yeah, those one good for. Yeah, that's it.
know?
Hey.
I can definitely.
Can I put?
And still take it. So It's having to keep getting up though.
You gotta get a pointer there.
Oh.
See? Alright, now let's go for real. Now you got the jump.
You can even see the whole face. That's what I got.
You can see it on that one.
You can see?
Hell no. This fucking ring
It's
light
right.
is blinding me.
Aw. Okay.
Hey, wait.
I guess. What's up, y'all? So I just finished opening up all my little gifts. Okay. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This is really like one of the best Christmases ever. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie, but
What's happening?
what's up?
Are you live?
Yeah,
Are you live?
I'm gonna show them my gifts.
Man, hold on. Let me steal this show. Sheesh, I'm talking about.
He loves his shoes, yes. I'm gonna start with my shoes too. Period. Y'all see the light pink?
Oh yeah, you got
Yeah.
a nice little box full over there. You got a nice little box full over there. A nice little box.
I got everything I wanted on my list. Literally. Got my new flat iron. Y'all know me with the tools. Gotta have all the right tools. You want your shit to look right. Like mine. You gotta have the right tools. And then it's like, it's gonna be even better now. You know what I mean?
I couldn't
How could
imagine
it get
it
in
even
it?
better. Damn.
I'm saying. Okay, and then we
You'll
got
start doing hair through the phone.
I need to. Y'all want y'all hair done?
I'm
Like,
telling you.
I got you. I have everything you need. I got the Kendra's Boutique hot comb. I know a lot of y'all know about this hot comb. It's blinged out. Ooh, look at it.
So are you gonna join this video with the one we did yesterday?
Yeah.
Just do like a whole Christmas vlog?
Yeah, because I was stressed at first and was like, I'm not going to get it by Christmas, but
Well, still
we
need to get
all
the pictures,
know.
though.
Yeah, we need to go ahead and post those. Like,
You just gonna post the ones you got on the phone? Or you still?
okay, you can look at them and see if you see anything in the screenshot.
So you put the video on there from the camera?
Yeah, we got my hot comb.
God, you look good.
Oh, thanks, babe. You look good. You got me some red shoes. Y'all, I did not have no red shoes. I had some at one point, but you know, my demon dog. You know how that goes. And, oh, my earmuffs. Can't forget the earmuffs. I was talking about these today. How I needed some.
On the way over here.
On the way over here. Like, what do you mean? I'm probably not gonna take these off the whole rest of the winter. Got me a little organizer. So this is like to put on the door of my room. And I'm gonna put my tools and my hair stuff in it. And then we got my little clothes rack. I got a new clothes just for more space, y'all know. And camera case. Oh my gosh, like I could go on and on. I really could, because there's some stuff that I got before today. Her hot comb came with this mask. Super cute. She knew I needed a new mask. It's one thing to be tired, but to look it too, girl. I just felt like I need to come on here, you know, real quick to end off the little vlog, my little Christmas vlog. I wanted to have it done by Christmas or whatever I was talking about, but who am I kidding? We all know. We all knew that that wasn't gonna happen, but y'all will get this video as soon as possible after Christmas because, you know. But yeah, I'm talking about it's always something with one of my devices. Like, I don't know why I said devices like that, but it's always something. This time my phone ran out of storage, so I had to switch over to the camera, and then next thing you know, my camera is about to die. Like, what? This YouTube shit is a lot, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I got this little camera case, camera bag. Period. Is so, it's like perfect. It's like the perfect size, so compact, you know. I got a tiny camera, so I can put my camera in here and everything else that I need for the camera, for my computer. I got my computer charger in here, batteries, memory card, little remote, like everything that I need can fit in this bag, and I'm just so thankful. Oh wow, would you look at that? Can you guess what's about to happen? But yeah, I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas this year as well. Remember, it's not all about the gifts and the material things, because at the end of the day, be there for you when you're like, you know, going through stuff and like, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to get too deep, but y'all picking up what I'm putting down. But yeah, I hope y'all had a good Christmas. I'm gonna snatch these lashes off because I can't do it no more. I try to pretend like, you know, everything was good, but I'm about to get in that. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in my next one. Stay tuned. I got a lot of videos to post. I got a lot of videos planned for y'all. So like I said, like, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I upload, because I don't have a set schedule right now. That is coming soon though, so don't worry, we're gonna get on track. But yeah, just turn that on so you can stay in the loop, you know. Okay, I'm out now. I'm gone. That's it. That's what we done.